welcome back to the channel. My name is India. If you're new here, and welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to the channel. So y'all, we are getting on through this series. Next up in today's video, I am going to share all of the butter, stylers, and creams that I have in my natural hair collection. So if you are interested, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe first, like the video, and talk to me in the comments. Y'all let me know as I'm going through the products if you've used them before or if you are looking forward to try any of the ones that I mentioned. All right, so y'all know how this goes. I'm gonna pull them out of the bin. I already got the bin. And it's heavy, and yeah, I'm gonna pull them out in no particular order, so let's get into it. All right, y'all, so first up I have this defining curl cream by the one and only Argan oil. Y'all, this is one of my favorites, and it's white, so it's probably gonna give me a problem with showing up, but this is what it looks like. Let me see. There we go. This curl cream is so good. I love to use this for wash and goes. It's almost empty. Like, I can tell you right now, it's almost empty. I don't know why, but this stuff really defines my curls. And it does say defining curl cream, and this is one that actually does what it says. It defines my curls really well, and if I top it with a gel, is perfection. I usually use my Wetline Extreme Gel with this. It doesn't flake up, it doesn't leave my hair dry. It's really, really good. So if you've never used this before, definitely give it a try. Next up, this is again one of my all-time favorites. This will always be in my stash. I have repurchased this so many times, it's crazy, and I will always repurchase it as long as they sell it. This is the Taliah Waajid Green Apple and Aloe Curl Definer. Y'all, I use this for everything. Braid outs, twist outs, braiding curls, twisting curls, flexi rod sets, on blow dried hair, wash and goes. I can use this for everything, and it is really good. It smells really good. It's going to give you a bit of a hold. So this one is more like tacky. It has like a tacky, it's a cream, but it's really thick, and it's kind of like tacky. So you can tell, like, when you put it on your hair, that's gonna give you a bit of a hold with it too. Y'all, this stuff is really good, and like I said, I use it all the time for all the things. So y'all already know my love for this apple and aloe collection, and it is so good. If you never tried this, definitely pick it up because it is worth every penny. The next thing I'm pulling out of here is the Uncle Funky's Daughter Extra Butter Curl Forming Cream. Y'all, this stuff right here, again, this is another good one, and this was actually one of the first things I've tried for Uncle Funky's daughter. I tried this, and I think the Curl Magic Cream, the Curl Magic Gel, which y'all will see when I get to the gels. But this is one of my favorite natural hair products. It's super thick, so if you have thick hair and you like thick products like I do, definitely pick it up. Y'all see I've almost used the whole bottle. I'm almost out. I love this stuff. Again, twist out, braid out, any of those things, any kind of blown out hairstyle. If you want something that's going to help keep the curl or help keep, you know, the shape that you're going for, but still give you that good moisture, this stuff right here does it. So if you have thick hair and you love thick butters and creams, definitely try this. All right, next I have the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator. It says it has pure honey, rich coconut oil, creamy shea butter, no sulfates, no mineral oils, and no silicones. And this one again is by Creme of Nature. This is what it looks like. It's a curl activator, and I've used this a few times. I will say that it really does make your curls pop. This one might be one that you may need to use a leave-in with, because I did feel like my curls was kind of dry after it, but my hair was super defined. So if you're looking for really good definition, then this curl activator really is good for that. I would just say to use a leave-in first and then use this, because if not, it's going to be kind of drying, but you're going to have really defined curls. So if you're looking for something to help you with definition, definitely check this out. All right, now I have the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula, the Cocoa Butter and Biotin Length Retention Cream Styler. Y'all already know me. and Palmer's go together real bad at this point, okay? We go together. They don't know we go together, but we go together. Me and Palmer's, we like this. I see y'all, and I'm trying. Do y'all see me? This actual length retention cream styler, I actually haven't used it yet. This is one that I need to bring to the front of my stash. Out of all of my Palmer's hair products, this is the one that I actually haven't picked up yet, so I'm definitely pushing this one to the front of my stash to use this year. So you guys are probably will be seeing me use this very soon, so I can give you an update on this. But yeah, if you've used it, let me know what you think. But from what I've been hearing, you guys have been telling me in the comments that you didn't even know Palmer's made hair products, so hopefully I'm putting y'all on to some stuff in these videos that y'all see, because these Palmer hair products are the bomb. So if you haven't tried any of them, definitely give it a try. Like I said, I haven't tried this particular one yet, but I'm pretty sure it's good, and I'll give y'all an update and let y'all know. All right, next up I have the Aphogee Curlific Curl Definer, and this one is for definition curl control for textured hair, and this is what it looks like. I think I showed you guys the shampoo in the Aphogee Curlific line. I was telling you guys about that. So again, Aphogee, if you know, you know, but Aphogee is a really good hairline for like any hair type overall, but this one is specifically for like curly coily hair and stuff like that. That's why it's the Curlific line from Aphogee. This curl definer, it does get your hair really defined. So this is again one of those that I would say you would need to use a leave-in with first, because if you use this definer on its own, then it will kind of leave your hair a little bit drier than what I like it to be, at least for me, in my opinion, how it left my hair. But it does give you super defined hair. So if you're looking for help with definition, this is another good one. I would just say make sure that you use either the leave-in that comes in this collection or some type of leave-in that you know works really good for moisture, and then use this to get the definition that you need. But yeah, this really does, it is a curl definer. It defines your curls, but it's not going to give you as much moisture, so you're definitely going to need to use a leave-in with this as well. All right, so next up we have the Pattern Detangling Nectar. It says it separates and softens, and y'all, this is a detangler, but I mean, you pretty much use it like a leave-in, because when you put it in, you don't wash it out. This stuff right here, it is so good. So I actually have 2 bottles of this because I purchased it, I ordered it, and the first one came to me and it was broke, so they sent me another one. So so when I finish this one, I'm just gonna pop the top off and use it over here. So I actually have 2 of these, which is exciting because I love this stuff, y'all. This is one that I actually use to do a wash and go with as well, and it works really, really good. If you're looking for a good moisturizing detangler, this stuff right here is one of my favorites. Like, this is hands down, I think, one of my favorite products from the line, period, that I've tried from Pattern. So yeah, try the detangler. Okay, y'all, so next up we have the Maui Moisture Smooth and Repair Vanilla Bean Hair Butter for frizzy, unruly hair. It says it defrizzes, mends, and restore. Y'all heard me talk about Maui Moisture. Y'all, Maui Moisture, again, is that girl. She has different lines. So again, I would say go to your hair store, wherever you buy your hair products from, find the Maui Moisture, and just kind of go by whatever your hair type is. Like if you have thick hair, I would say go for the hair butters and creams, and y'all will see that I have used quite a bit of this. It's really good to do twist outs and braid outs and all that good stuff. And it smells really good. It smells just like vanilla bean, y'all. So if you are a fan of, you know, good smelling products, I would say this is really good, but it also gets the job done with keeping your hair moisturized. It's thick, so it's really good for thick hair. It's creamy, and it does like really good if you're doing like styles like blow dry styles, twist out, braid outs, and all that good stuff. So again, Maui Moisture is going to be good for the affordability as well as the quality. All right, y'all, next up is the Curls, the Sea Moss collection. This is a moisture magnet sea moss curl cream. It says that it locks and seals in moisture with this vitamin and mineral curl cream while conditioning and sculpting texture tresses, soft to no hold. So this is gonna be like more of a moisturizing type of cream. It's a curl cream. It's gonna give you a little bit of a definition, not anything super. It's more gonna just moisturize your hair than it's going to actually help it with curl definition. And the reason why I say that is because like your curls, the more moisturized it is, the more curly it is. So that's how it's gonna help. It's not gonna actually give you like a boost with the curl definition, but it is gonna give you a boost of moisture, which should help your hair curl. Does that make sense? I don't know. I hope it makes sense. I hope y'all understand what I'm saying. So this one is, I would say this is more to me like a leave-in than a curl cream, but it's a curl cream, so I put it with the curl creams. But I would definitely say you would have to use like a styler or something on top of this or with this to give it that extra boost that you're looking for, especially because it don't have a hole. So if you have thick hair like me, I'm always looking for something that's going to give me moisture and give me a hold, or something to put on top that's going to give it a hold. So this doesn't have a hold at all, so just be mindful of that. So again, to me this is more like a leave-in conditioner, but they call it a curl cream. Okay, next up we have the Afro Sheen Crown Defining Curl Cream. Y'all, this stuff is really, really, really good. I was using this at one point under all my wash and goes with some extreme gel, and it was working really well. So this stuff I love. It keeps your hair moisturized and shiny, but it also does give you like curl definition. And I can show y'all, ooh, if I can open it. I have used a lot of it, and it's like really creamy. It's a really creamy texture, but y'all, this stuff is so good. Like if you've never tried again anything from the Afro Sheen, this Afro Sheen line, it's really good. And I would say, like I said, it gives you a lot of moisture, but it gives you that definition that you're looking for at the same time. I also like to use this with my Denman brush too. Yeah, apply this and then use your Denman brush to rake through your hair. Curls popping, okay? Curls popping. That's all I got to say about that one. All right, next up, I have the Obia Natural Sweet Almond Heavy Cream. Y'all already know how I went in about my Obia Naturals. This is another one. This Sweet Almond Heavy Cream, y'all, this stuff is good. It is so good. Like, it gets your hair super moisturized. Like your hair is going to be moisturized initially and it's going to stay moisturized. So this is another good one I would say would be good for protective styling if you're getting braids and stuff like that, or if you're gonna braid your hair up and put on a wig or something like that. Put this on there first, sis, and your hair is gonna be great. Like when you take those braids out, your hair is gonna be super soft and moisturized. This is vegan, pH balanced, and is natural. It's free from petroleum, mineral oil, parabens, and sulfates. And y'all, this is just, again, one of those really, really good moisturizers. It's a heavy cream, and I don't hear a lot of people talking about this brand, but y'all, this stuff, whatever they, you know, mixing up in their labs, it's good. Like this stuff is good, and it smells really good too. So I really enjoyed this heavy cream. Like I said, I use this and it just keeps my hair super moisturized, so I love it. Next I have the J.O.S Chebe hair and body butter with shea butter and vitamin E. So this one says it's hair and body butter, and I'll show y'all what it looks like. So it really does look like shea butter, but I've never actually used this yet. I've yet to use it, so I actually need to push this one to the front. I think I told y'all earlier I haven't been using these J.O.S products because I just wasn't familiar with the brand, but I'm gonna use them this year, so I'll give y'all an update on how I like it. Now one thing, like I said, that I do like is that it really does look like real shea butter, and if you know anything about shea butter or natural shea butter, like it's going to keep your whatever you put on moisturize. It's gonna keep your skin moisturized, your hair moisturized. So I think this is probably gonna be something really, really good that I've been holding out on myself. Like, girl, why you just ain't used it? So I think I'm actually really like this. Next up is the Design Essential Natural African Chebe Braid and Twist Out Strengthening Cream. I have not used this one yet. Again, this is one I need to pull to the front of my stash. Y'all already know I'm probably gonna do like a full line on this Design Essential. A full video on this line. If you guys have used it, definitely let me know. So you guys should see this on the channel sometime soon. I'll be doing my hair and using the whole line so you guys can see how well it actually works. Next up, I have the Alikay Naturals Lemongrass Super Twisting Butter. Y'all, I like this at a point, and it got hair on it, sorry. I like this at a point, but I just I don't reach for it anymore. I don't gravitate to it. I don't know, it just didn't do it for me, this Alikay Natural. I love the way that it smelled, but I'm actually going to get rid of this one, so this one's going to get decluttered. Next up, I have the Garnier Fructis Curl Stretch Pudding. It says it's sulfate free, it's anti-shrinkage cream from curly to coily hair. And I think I've used this 1 or 2 times, but I never picked it back up. It smells really good. It smells really fruity. I guess so, it's Garnier Fructis. But y'all, to be honest, I don't know. I'm on the fence about this one, about keeping it or not, because I haven't been gravitating to it. So, and I don't know why. So maybe I need to try it one more time and see if I actually like it or not. And if I do, I'll keep it. If not, I'll throw it away. All right, y'all. And this is another one. Y'all, I jumped on the bandwagon on this one, and I usually don't, but I did. And this is the Fenty Hair, the Home Curl Defining Cream. Y'all haven't even used this. I bought it. I didn't use it. It still has the thing on it. I don't think I used it. I think I used it was something else she had that I used, that I purchased, but I have not even used this curl defining cream. But it was one of those things. It was an impulse purchase. I seen it was Rihanna, and I was like, ooh, I know her other Fenty stuff is really good, like her makeup products. So I was like, I know the hair care products are gonna be on point, but from the stuff that I have tried, it was only one thing I liked, which was the Comeback Kid, which I'll show y'all that in the next video. It just, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I fell for the hype. And again, I don't know. I haven't used this, so I can't say. So if y'all want to see a video on this, I will do one. Y'all let me know. If not, I'll just do one off camera and see if I like it or not. And if I like it, I'll keep it. And if I don't, I'll probably just give this one away, because again, this one is brand new. All right, y'all, so that kind of wraps it up for my cream, stylers, and butters. So again, not too much, and I decluttered a few of them, you know what I mean? And I got a few on standby that I need to try and see if I like them. If I do, then I'll keep them. If I don't, I'll get rid of them. But again, y'all talk to me, let me know, have you guys used any of these? And let me know if there is something out there that you use as far as like creams, butters, and stylers that I didn't mention that I need to take a look at. Definitely let me know in the comments. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you don't miss the next video in the series. So the next video is going to be real interesting, y'all, because it's going to be my other category. So it's going to be oils, heat protectants, hairsprays, all the other kind of hair products that I have that's like miscellaneous. So you definitely want to see that one, and you're gonna need to have your notification bell turned on so you don't miss it, of course. And don't forget to like this video as well. So thank you guys, and I'll see y'all in another one. Bye.